In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to manage chat notifications in ClickUp. Managing notifications effectively can make a huge difference in staying on top of your tasks and communications without feeling overwhelmed. If you use ClickUp for work or personal projects, it's essential to customize your chat notifications so you only get alerted about what matters most to you. In this step-by-step tutorial, we'll walk through how to manage both browser and mobile notifications for your chats, ensuring you stay informed without unnecessary distractions. Let's get started. First, open your preferred browser and go to www.clickup.com. Once you're there, log in using your preferred method, whether that's your email or a connected social account like Google. If you're new to ClickUp or if you don't already have an account, you can use the link in the description below to sign up and get started. Once you've logged in, make sure you're in the correct workspace. This is especially important if you're part of multiple teams or organizations within ClickUp. You can confirm this by checking the workspace name, which will be visible on your dashboard. Next, locate your profile picture or your name in the top right corner of the homepage. Click on it to open a drop-down menu. From that menu, select Settings. This will take you to your account settings, where you can control various preferences. Now, look at the left-hand sidebar. Scroll through the options and find Chats. Click on it to access the chat notification settings. This section is where you'll have the ability to manage your notification preferences for both the web and mobile versions of ClickUp. Let's start with browser notifications. To ensure you receive these, you'll first need to make sure your browser allows notifications from ClickUp. Check your browser settings and verify that ClickUp has permission to send notifications. Once that's confirmed, you can enable or disable browser notifications directly within ClickUp, depending on your preference. This gives you control over whether you want to receive real-time alerts while working on your computer. Next, let's set up mobile notifications. If you haven't already, download the ClickUp mobile app and sign in with your account. Once you're signed in, you'll need to enable push notifications within the app. Additionally, double-check your device's notification settings to ensure that notifications from the ClickUp app are allowed. This step is crucial so that you don't miss any important updates while you're on the go. After enabling notifications, you can further customize the types of alerts you want to receive. For example, you can toggle specific chat alerts on or off. These include direct messages, mentions, or other types of chat notifications. Adjust these settings based on what's most relevant to you, so you're only alerted about messages that require your attention. Once you've made your changes, there's no need to manually save. ClickUp automatically saves your updates, and that's it. You can revisit these settings anytime to make adjustments as your preferences or notification needs evolve. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.